Hi everyone, welcome to Android Tech Park YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix speakers not working on Mac. Before trying these solutions, disconnect everything like headphones, external monitors, USB cables, etc. from your Mac and then check whether speakers are working or not. Solution 1. Restart your Mac. Go to Apple menu. Select Restart under Apple menu. Select Restart in the pop-up box to confirm. Wait until your Mac restarts. If it doesn't work out, force restart your Mac. To force restart your Mac, hold down the power button or touch it until your Mac turns off. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button or touch it to turn on your Mac. Solution 2. Turn off Bluetooth. Go to Apple menu. Select System Preferences under Apple menu. Click Bluetooth. Click Turn Bluetooth off. Now check whether speakers are working or not. Solution 3. Reset Core Audio. Open the terminal window. Enter the following command. Then press the Enter key. Enter your admin password if asked and then hit the Enter key. Restart your Mac and then check whether the speakers are working or not. If resetting core audio via terminal window doesn't work out, reset core audio in the Activity Monitor. Launch Activity Monitor using Spotlight Search. Type core audio in the search box. When the core audio file appears in the Activity Monitor, click on it. Click the Force Quit button in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Force Quit in the pop-up box to confirm. Now restart your Mac and then check whether the sound is working or not. Solution 4. Reset PRAM or NVRAM. First, shut down your Mac via Apple menu. Then press the power button or touch ID to turn on your Mac. After pressing the power button or touch ID, immediately hold down the Option plus Command plus P plus R keys simultaneously. Release the keys when you hear the startup sound for the second time. If you are using T2 security chip with your Mac, release the keys when the Apple logo appears and disappears for the second time. Wait until your Mac restarts. Sometimes your Mac will take 15 to 20 minutes to restart. Solution 5. Increase the output volume. Go to Apple menu. Select System Preferences under Apple menu. Click Sound. Select Output tab. Click Internal Speakers. Make sure that output volume is full. If it is slow, drag the slider to the right side to increase the volume. Make sure that mute checkbox is not selected. Solution 6. Reset SMC. SMC reset for non-removable battery. First, shut down your Mac via Apple menu. Then connect your Mac to the power source. Hold down the Shift plus Control plus Option plus power button or touch ID simultaneously for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, release the keys. Then turn on your Mac. SMC reset for removable battery. First turn off your Mac. Then connect your Mac to the power source. Now remove the battery from your Mac. Hold on the power button for 5 seconds. Then reinsert the battery into your Mac. Now turn on your Mac. Solution 7. Restart your Mac in safe mode. First, shut down your Mac. Then press the power button or Touch ID to turn on your Mac. After pressing the power button or Touch ID, immediately hold down the Shift key until the login window appears. While holding the Shift key, Apple logo will appear, but don't leave the Shift key when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding it until the login window appears. If your Mac is encrypted with FileVault, you need to log in twice. If you want to get out of safe mode, restart your Mac via Apple menu. If you have any doubt regarding this, let me know through your comments.